So today we are going to review Mi Watch Lite. Just by opening the box, we can see the watch right there. The build quality seems pretty solid by the feel of it. Let's see what else is there in the box, and we can see a charger and a user manual. That's it, nothing else. So the screen looks also pretty good, but it's kind of dull. It does not blend well with the edges. You can access the menu from the side button. So let's head over to a field testing to test the GPS and the heart rate tracking, etc. So let's look into the Xiaomi Wear application to see the tracking of GPS and heart rate. So here we are in the application, and by clicking on view workout history, we can see all the workouts. So here is the list of all the workouts, and I can see my today's workout. So I will click on it, and instantly I can see the map and the summary, total time of workout, active calories burn, average pace, elevation gain, average heart rate, etc., which is terrible. So cadence and heart rate, all the intense, all the graphs, like how much time I spent in aerobic and anaerobic time zones. We can also switch the map to terrain to see the actual map, what is happening on the ground. So if you look closely, we can see that there are a bunch of outliers. So one at the bottom is actually the correct one. I was there to shoot a time lapse and to shoot kids doing some gymnastics. But the one at the top are not the correct one. I did not go to those points. So these are the points which GPS did not track correctly. Similarly, the on the right hand side, the points are too straight line. The resolution is too low, so that there is no detail in between. It's look like GPS has missed couple of points and just drawn a straight line to the next point. Now if we go back to the other details, we can see there is an information about sleep tracking. So we can see the deep sleep and the light sleep and all those information, the time of sleep and stuff like that. So next we look into the heart rate. So the heart rate is not being measured continuously. It is just showing some spikes. I think you can also set it to continuous monitoring. We can also look into the energy. So the energy, when you sleep, you are recharged, your watch knows it, and it shows you are energized. And when you went through your day, your energy is depleted. You can also see into that standing times, how many times of the day you were standing. You can also look into your stress levels. They seem to be accurate most of the times. When you are working out or doing some focused activity, your stress levels will be higher. If you look at the application overall, it's okay. I think they can do a better job at the application. Fitbit does a much more good job as compared to Xiaomi in general on the application side. Overall, it provides good value. The watch comes in good shape. It has great battery life. The display is good. It also comes with GPS. Along with that, it is also water resistant. At this price, it is a really good deal. So that's about it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Let us know about your thoughts in the comment section and give us a big thumbs up. So stay tuned. See you next time.